Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs, showing off a Krietz Customs build on this 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat. We're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added and what is the biggest wheel and tire package you can fit on your truck. So starting with the suspension kit, it's going to be that 6-inch rough country lift. We wanted to add a bigger lift to this truck so we can get those bigger wheels and tires. Now the lift is going to come with these strut spacers as well as the premium N3 shocks on this kit. This one is going down to the wheel and tire, it's going to be that fuel vapor. It's a 22x12 with a -44 offset, so it's going to push that wheel out about 4 inches from your fenders. This one's going to be that matte black finish, and it's going to be that concave wheel with a little bit of design on your spokes, as well as featuring some of the rivets. It does feature like a nut kind of design on the outside of your lip. Your tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 35-12-50-22, and this one is going to feature that hybrid tire, so it's going to have the performance of your all-terrain, so great mileage, but also going to have the aggressive outside wall as well. If you guys like this truck, you guys can take a look at it on our website at KrietzAuto.com. You can search the stock number as B70057, so you can take a look at the specs as well as the inside of the truck. And if you want to build yours this way, you guys can reach out to me on Facebook at Krietz Customs or go to our website at KrietzCustoms.com and fill out our info tab.